Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you as always. Thank you. This time, I thank you for tuning into my 3003rd installment of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. Thank you for tuning in. So, this video coming at you on a Tuesday night for Trading Wednesday. Remember, it is risky trading. Risky. Always put your stops in, put them in first before you get involved in any long or short positions. You'll live a lot longer in this business if you respect the risk. So, for trading on, I almost called it January, on December 3rd, 2025, our OMNI overall has gone neutral. It's not saying up or down. It's saying kind of stand back and watch. But a neutral OMNI allows me to do whatever the hell I want. That's good because I smell an Oscarism coming. Here's your NASDAQ daily bar chart. If you recall, it came down below the OTAPMA, the Omni Trading Academy's proprietary moving average. Drop, boom, boom. Hit the bottom of a channel. Came right back up, exploded, got out above that channel, and is starting to go. If we remove the channel, we are now building an Oscarism, if you will, known as the F flag. The F flag is a bastardized version of a bull flag, whereas the pole goes up, but the flag goes up as well instead of down in the fashion of a bull flag. So a regular bull flag looks kind of like this guy over here. You know what I mean? It's more shaped like the flagpole is here, and then the bull flag builds and it goes up. But in this case, the flagpole goes up, like this one, flagpole up, but the flag is faced in this direction. We call that Oscarism a bullish F flag, and that's what we have here. So if we got a bullish F flag and a neutral OMNI that allows Oscar to do whatever the hell he pleases, we may get a nice trade out of this tomorrow. We'll see what's going to happen. So the OMNI says don't trade. Oscarism may come out of the woodwork. We'll see what happens. We'll take it one moment at a time for trading on Wednesday. Then there is this. Check this out. Omniacs from around the world who are in my Omni token, we love what you do. You're so smart about what you're doing, and of course, I am there to help you. Look what happened. Somebody came out and sold, and at the same instance, Omniacs from around the world get together because we've got a worldwide community, buy it straight back up where higher than where they began selling it at, which means it would be useless to buy it back for them. Good job, Omniacs. We love you guys. That's the way to get this done. So, when you see those red bars come out of nowhere because we got a whole worldwide community, you cats come out and buy. I will do the same, and we'll slowly keep this organically viable. And I thank you for everything that you do. You're doing great. So, what else is going on this chart? Look at this average. Now that there's some bars, we've had a bull flag here, another sort of flag here, a breakout of this bull flag, a breakout of this bull flag. Now look at this average we're starting to hold. Now it's starting to grab onto some averages. You gotta love it, right? Time's passing. Omniacs, as I promised, we're doing everything we can to increase this token for all of you. Once January begins this year, if they sign the bill, which it looks like is going to be passed, there was a great bill signed already this morning on Bitcoin, I'll be able to put the utility into our Omni trading, and away we'll go, and I'll continue to call more of my Omniacs and get more of our fans in. Thank you for what you do. You keep buying. We will get this thing above 1 million. It's our next challenge. Let's hit the 1 million mark. We're at 850 now. Let's get this thing above 1 million, and we'll get more of a crowd in. I'm with you. You do it. I'll do it with you. Great job, Omniacs. Remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, I got your backs, Omniacs. When we're trading in the OMNI, S&P, NASDAQ, you know I got your backs. When we're trading in the Omni crypto world, you know I've got your backs there too. Thank you for all you do. You have a great day, OMNIacs.